Welcome to Aqua Planet. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hello, guys, how are you? Welcome to another episode of Aqua Planet. I hope that you are all enjoying very well. Today's our topic is Ludwigia repens. In this video, we are gonna talk about Ludwigia repens, as this is very good plant for new aquarium keepers or beginners. This plant is low-tech plant and it is very easy to care, so you can manage it very easily. Guys, in this video we are going to talk in detail that what are the light requirements, does it require CO2, or what are the requirement of nutrients, everything, and how to care, and what should be the size of the tank, and how much the pH of the water is required, or everything what is inside your mind we will be discussing. So stay tuned with us, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, it is requested that please subscribe so that you can get all the updates. Okay, let's start the video. Guys, first we talk about its name. Its scientific name is Ludwigia repens and its common name is creeping primrose willow. Guys, it is one of the best aquascaping plant due to its color, its propagation property, and its structure. Now we talk about its origin. It is mostly found in some parts of America, especially from Central to the North America. Guys, now talking about the family of the plant. Here you can read about its family. Okay guys, now we talk about its structure and the size. It is very good looking plant and it can be grown partially submerged or fully submerged in the water. It is stem plant and the size of stem can be vary from 12 inches to 20 inches, and the width of the stem may be from 1.5 to the 2.5 inches depending upon the size of the leaves. Okay guys, now we talk about the size of the tank that is required for this plant. This plant can grow in every type of the planted aquarium, but the ideal size for growing this plant is 10 gallons or about 40 liters. Now we talk about the temperature of the water. Guys, this plant is very hardy plant and it can grow from 20 degree to 28 degree centigrade. Guys, next we have pH and hardness of the water. This plant is a very strong plant and it can survive from 6 to 8 pH of the water. And talking about the hardness of the water, it can thrive best in the moderate type. Okay guys, now we talk about the lighting requirements for this plant. This plant is very easy to care in the term of lighting because it can survive from low to the medium light and also in the high light as well. It is usually considered as the evergreen plant. Some species has the red color as well, that is called the super red Ludwigia. It is done by the proper lighting and the full spectrum light. Hey guys, CO2 requirements. This plant doesn't need too much CO2, or you can say it can grow without CO2 or very low amount of CO2. If you have not CO2 set up in your aquarium, then you don't need to worry about. Okay, guys, now we talk about its plantation and propagation. For plantation, you just need a stem, or you may grow with a cutting as well. Just bury the 1 inch deep stem with roots or the cutting as well. And talking about its propagation, it grows in both direction, horizontally and vertically. It usually grow up to 20 inches vertically, and it spread very speedily when you start growing it. You just need a balanced setup if you want a good growth of the Ludwigia ribbons. So overall, guys, it's a very good plant for aquascaping, and it gives you a very bright and attractive look to your aquarium. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video and you liked the video as well. So that's all for today. I request you please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Okay guys, thank you much. Bye bye.